Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips, and today I am telling you something that you absolutely have to know to do if you are traveling to Los Angeles. So the city of Los Angeles has a traveler form that you are required to submit if you come to Los Angeles. And here's what it says. It says, to help stop the spread of COVID-19, Los Angeles is requiring all travelers entering the city from another state or country to fill out this online form, acknowledging that they have read and understand the CDC's travel guidance. Travelers over the age of 16 must submit this form online prior to or upon arrival at Los Angeles International Airport, Van Nuys Airport, or Union Station. Failure to submit this form is punishable by a fine of up to $500. And it's a really simple online form. It's just at travel.lacity.org, and I will put that link in the description box for you. And it just basically asks your name, your email address, your phone number. It asks if it's a mobile phone number and your travel, how you got there. And so I just wanted to let you know that that is really important that you do that, because you don't want to get caught not submitting that form and having to pay a fine. And so if you're going to cruise, or if you're coming to LAX to visit family, or you're going to a convention, because I know that there's a lot of convention places right around LAX there, make sure that you submit this form. It only takes a minute. The other thing that I want to make sure that you are really well aware of, if you are going to cruise out of Los Angeles, or if you're coming for another reason and you might need a COVID test, be sure that you know where you can get a COVID test. Now, I have mentioned this in other videos, but I'm going to mention it again here now in case it comes in helpful for anyone. Right next to LAX, like right by LAX, is like this huge airport complex. It's enormous. And so there's just kind of like this whole big entry area. And right adjacent to it there, right by where the hotels are, right there adjacent, is an urgent care. It's called Reliant Urgent Care, and I will put the web address for them in the description box as well. And they are open 24/7. You just go online to their website and you sign up to do a COVID test. And they have the rapid ones and they have the non-rapid ones. But if you're cruising, you can do the rapid antigen test and it will meet the requirements. And so just have that in your back pocket. It's somewhere that you can go if you're flying into LAX and you might need a COVID test. It's also really handy because a lot of conventions there, I noticed, are also requiring people to be COVID tested, as are a lot of other travel. Like I've noticed that if you're going to come and fly to LAX and then you're going to take some organized tours, they are also requiring a negative COVID test. And so just a heads up on that. So make sure that if you're traveling, you know to do those two things to go to LAX and to Los Angeles. So if you have any questions, be sure to put those in the comments below, or any information that might help anyone, any thoughts you've got about that. We would love to hear them. If you think this video is helpful, would you please subscribe? We'd love to have you here with us in our Let's Go Travel Tips family. It's an awesome community that we've got here. And also give us a thumbs up. It helps everyone on YouTube know we're here, and it really helps our channel. So thank you so very much. I will be talking to you again soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.